With me today is Elisa from our buying team, who recently went to Morocco to visit the suppliers. Hi Elisa.
Hello.
How did your trip go?
Oh, it was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Myself and Julie, the import and export manager, we went in March. We went to Morocco. We flew into Fez to meet the suppliers of our Rhassoul mud. We buy it directly from them so that there's no middlemen, and they took us around for a couple of days. It showed us an absolutely brilliant time, and we got to learn ever such a lot about the Rhassoul. We started off the visit by going to their factory, meeting the staff who were bagging it up and exporting it all around the world. And then from there they drove us to the Atlas Mountains, where we stayed the night. We arrived when it was dark, so we had no idea where we were or where we were staying. When we woke up in the morning, it was quite an amazing landscape. It's quite barren, and the Atlas Mountains in the distance were all snow-capped.
So I understand that you actually visited the mines.
Yes, they took us to the mines, where we actually got to meet all the miners, got given hard hats and some torches, and off we went right down into the mine to the actual face where they were digging out the Rhassoul seam, just with pickaxe. The miner was down there with pickaxe, just a small little tilly lamp. From there it's shovelled out up onto carts and then pushed out, so it's all very hands-on.
So we're buying our Rhassoul mud direct from this little community?
Yes, that's correct. Society de Rhassoul were given permission in 1954 to mine at the Atlas Mountains, because the king actually owned the mines, the King of Morocco. And since then they've been building up the community for the miners. You know, they've built a mosque, doctors with an ambulance, there's the hammam, all their accommodation, also the school for the local miners' children, and buildings at a local village to help them run the village.
So it was a lovely visit.
Yeah, it was a great visit, and it was really nice to see that money that we help contribute into this company is actually being used for some really worthwhile causes.
Thanks Elisa for coming in and telling us about your trip.
Yeah, it was brilliant. I'd love to go back.
Oh, if you do, can I go?
Of course.
Excellent, thank you.